astute, smart and quick to understand. Example: the astute student quickly solved the difficult problem. Urge, a strong desire or push to do something. Example: the teacher urged the students to study harder. Baggy, loose-fitting and not tight, often used for clothes. Example: he wore baggy jeans that were too big for him. Congested, overcrowded or blocked, making movement difficult. Example: my nose is congested, so I can't breathe properly. Wilt, to lose energy, strength, or freshness, often due to heat or lack of water. Example: the flowers wilt when they don't get enough water. Fatal, causing death or extremely dangerous. Example: the car accident was fatal, and 2 people died. Queasy, feeling sick, uncomfortable, or uneasy, often related to nausea. Example: I felt queasy after eating too much fast food. Quench, to satisfy a strong feeling, like thirst, or to stop something from continuing. Example: a cold drink will quench your thirst on a hot day. Undergo, to go through something, especially a change or challenge. Example: she had to undergo surgery last year. String, a thin cord used to tie things, a connected series of things. Example: she tied the gift with a red string. Deliberately, doing something on purpose, not by accident. Example: he deliberately ignored my message. Hoist, to lift or raise something heavy, often using effort or equipment. Example: the workers hoisted the heavy box onto the truck. Idle, not working, not active, or doing nothing for a long time. Example: he has been idle all day, just watching TV. Segregate, to separate people, groups, or things based on differences. Example: we segregate plastic from glass when recycling. Dismantle, to take something apart, usually to fix, move, or destroy it. Example: the workers dismantled the stag after the concert. Thanks for watching.